Hello everyone, if you are interested in Udemy's personal plan, then here is that offer which you can use, and with that offer you will save 20% of your personal plan for 1 year. So on this page I have shared that coupon code, and I will provide a specific URL in the description box of this video and first pin comment as well. So if you scroll down, you can read here Udemy personal plan coupon code. Deal ends on 18th of August, so you still have time. 20% off on your first year of personal plan. It is accessible through this page. I'll provide it in the description box and first pin comment as I mentioned earlier. So this is a coupon code that you need to enter. It is automatically entered when you go through my website and the link I have provided. So here you see 24 hours only, 20% on your first year. So with the personal plan, this is what you get: 26,000 plus on-demand courses, 20,000 plus practice exercises, 4.5 is the average rating of the courses that are a part of personal plan, and 9,000 plus instructors are also part of the personal plan membership. So this is how you can go ahead and save 20% if you are interested in Udemy's personal plan. With personal plan you get access to 26,000 plus courses, as I have just mentioned before. Now here you can see this is the amount shown in my country, but you can get the same amount of discount in your country as well, as this is a global offer. So just go ahead and use this offer to get 20% off on your first year of personal plan. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.